Welcome to English Fluent Forge. My name is Tom and I'm very happy you are here today. In today's episode, we will talk about motivation in learning English. Motivation means how to stay strong, how to continue, and how to enjoy learning English even when it feels difficult. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words. I repeat important ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This method is called shadowing. You listen first and then you repeat after me. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax. And let's begin together. Learning English is not easy, and that is okay. It is normal to feel tired. It is normal to feel slow. You are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen. You need time to practice. You need time to understand. You need time to grow and improve. Some days learning feels fun. Some days it feels hard. This is part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On hard days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need to know every word. You only need to try. You only need to continue. Slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something difficult, and you're doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it feels easy. Sometimes it feels hard. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you will see how far you have come. You have learned new words. You have listened. You have practiced. You have improved. Even if you don't see it yet, you are not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing. You are getting stronger. So please don't give up. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. That is okay. All learners need one thing: motivation. Motivation is not magic. It is not always loud. Sometimes it is quiet. It is the small voice that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just one more minute." And that is enough. If you feel tired, rest, then come back. If you feel confused, breathe, then try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return again and again. Ask yourself this question: why do I want to learn English? Maybe it is for your job. Maybe it is for travel. Maybe it is because you enjoy it. Your reason is important. Your reason is strong. Your reason will help you stay motivated. Remember this. Every day you practice English, you move forward. Even if it is only 5 minutes. Even if it is only listening. You are growing. You are becoming better. And you should be proud of yourself. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening a door to the world. That takes courage. So stay motivated. Stay patient. Be kind to yourself. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel busy or stressed. You think, "I don't want to study today." That is normal. Your brain needs rest. But you can still continue even on hard days. Here are some simple tips. Tip 1. Do a little. You don't need 1 hour. You don't need a big lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one sentence. 1 minute is better than nothing. Learning English is about doing a little again and again. Tip 2. Remember your reason. Why are you learning English? For work. For study. For travel. For fun. Write your reason. Say it out loud. Keep it close. Your reason gives you energy when you feel tired. Tip 3. Make it easy to start. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect mood. Put your book on your desk. Save an English video on your phone. Set a short timer. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm slow. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Say this instead. I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm doing my best. You're human. You are growing. You deserve kindness. Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. Did you listen today? That is a win. Did you learn one new word? That is a win. Did you try? That is a win too. Small wins matter. Learning English takes time. Sometimes you don't feel progress. But you are improving even if you don't see it yet. You are better today than yesterday. Write your learning. Record your voice. Notice small things you understand. Look back, not only forward. See how much you have grown. Slow progress is still progress. Learning is a journey, not a race. You don't need to be faster than others. You just need to continue. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes help you grow. If you say something wrong, it's okay. If someone corrects you, that's okay. Speak anyway. Practice anyway. Be brave. Make learning fun. Listen to music. Watch videos. Read interesting things. When you enjoy learning, you learn more. English is not just a subject. It is a tool. It is a key. English connects you to the world. It gives you more choices, more opportunities, and more freedom. You made it to the end of this episode. I am proud of you. You are trying. You are growing. You are showing up. Thank you for learning with me. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And keep believing in yourself. Now in Act 6 we will talk about something very important. We will talk about confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. It means speaking English without fear. It means trying even when you feel nervous. Many English learners understand English. They can read. They can listen. But they are afraid to speak. Maybe you feel the same. You think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? What if my grammar is bad? These thoughts are very common. Almost every learner feels this way. And that is okay. But today I want to tell you something very important. You do not need perfect English to speak. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a perfect accent. You only need confidence to try. Let me tell you a simple truth. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. You do not speak because you are confident. You become confident because you speak. At first your voice may shake. Your sentences may be short. You may stop and think. That is normal. Every confident speaker started like this. No one is born speaking perfect English. Confidence is like a muscle. When you use it, it becomes stronger. When you don't use it, it becomes weak. So we must use it little by little. Let's talk about fear. Fear is just a feeling. It is not danger. It is not real harm. Your brain thinks, speaking English is risky. But it is not. When you make a mistake, nothing bad happens. People still understand you. Life continues. So when fear comes, don't run away. Say this to yourself. It's okay to feel afraid. I will speak anyway. Fear gets smaller when you face it. Now let's talk about daily speaking practice. You do not need a partner. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a class. You can practice alone. Here are some simple ways. First, talk to yourself. It's really talk in English about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I had breakfast. I feel a little tired but okay. You can do this in your room. You can do this while walking. You can do this in front of a mirror. This helps your brain think in English. It helps your mouth move easily. Second, read out loud. Take a short text. A simple paragraph. A few sentences. Read slowly. Read clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just read. This improves pronunciation. This improves confidence. This helps your voice feel comfortable in English. Third, repeat after audio. Listen to English. Pause. Repeat the sentence. This is shadowing. You don't need to sound perfect. Just try to copy the rhythm. This helps your speaking sound more natural. Now let's talk about mistakes again. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake shows you something new. It shows you what to improve. If you never make mistakes, you are not learning. Think about children. They make many mistakes, but they keep talking. That is why they learn fast. Be like a child. Speak first. Fix later. Another big problem is comparing yourself. You see someone speaking fluent English. You feel bad. You think, I am not good. Stop doing this. You don't see their past. You don't see their struggle. Compare yourself only with your past self. Ask yourself, am I better than last month? Do I understand more than before? Yes, you are winning. Now let's build confidence step by step. Step 1. Speak alone. Step 2. Speak to one safe person. Step 3. Speak in small situations. Step 4. Speak more. You don't jump from zero to big conversations. Small steps are powerful. Even one sentence spoken today is better than silence. Let's practice a confidence sentence together. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I don't need to be perfect. I am brave. I am improving every day. Say these sentences slowly. Feel them. Words have power. They change how you think. Now let's talk about real-life speaking. You don't need long conversations. Start small. Say, hello. Say, thank you. Say, how are you? These small moments build courage. Each time you speak, your fear becomes weaker. Sometimes people correct you. That is okay. Correction is help, not attack. Say, thank you. Learn. Move on. Don't stop speaking because of correction. Stopping is the real problem. Another important thing. Your accent is okay. You do not need an American accent. You do not need a British accent. Your accent shows your story. Your accent shows your journey. Clear English is more important than perfect accent. Many successful people speak English with an accent, and they are confident. Now let's talk about patience. Confidence grows slowly. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel shy again. That is normal. Confidence is not a straight line. It goes up and down. But if you continue, it grows. Don't quit on bad days. Bad days are part of learning. Let me remind you again. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need courage to speak. Each word you speak is progress. Each sentence is a victory. Let's end Act 6 with this message. You are capable. You are learning. You are brave. Your voice matters. Your English matters. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Speak anyway. Confidence will follow.